Hi friends, welcome back. For those of you who are new, my name is Alyssa and today I'll be showing you how I make my favorite double chocolate cookies. In a medium bowl, combine all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Give this a quick whisk and set aside. In a large bowl, combine butter that is melted but cooled slightly, white sugar, and brown sugar. Mix this on medium-low for about a minute until the sugar is incorporated. It doesn't need to be dissolved, but it should be well mixed. Add in your egg and continue mixing on medium speed until your mixture is pale and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Add in half of your dry ingredients and mix on low until it is well incorporated and no streaks of flour remain. Add in the rest of your dry ingredients and continue mixing on low until your dough comes together. Add in your chocolate chips. I prefer to mix these in by hand, but you could absolutely use your mixer if you would like. Scoop 1.5 tablespoon balls onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can just use spoons to make heaping balls. We're going to place these in our oven that is preheated to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the pan for a few minutes before moving to a wire rack. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and as always, I would appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe. See you next week.